everyone, you're watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English, and again I'm with you. This is the class recorded session, and today I'm going to ask them some questions based on interrogative and WH words. So I hope that all the learners and extraordinary students are ready to translate. So can I ask you?
Yes, sir.
सिंपल सेंटेंसेस आपसे पूछे जाएंगे और थोड़े से टफ भी पूछे जाएंगे, लेकिन जो भी सेंटेंस पूछे जाएंगे आपको बता दूं वो सारे के सारे WH सेंटेंसेस होंगे, तो आपको अपना बेस्ट देना है, अच्छे से अच्छा बोलना है. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द जयश्री हैव इट. एंड जयश्री जो है सबसे ब्रिलियंट लड़की अभी तक क्लास में है भाई, मेरा जहां तक मैंने नोटिस किया है. सो लेट्स सी जयश्री, आपको स्पीडली बोलना है. आर यू रेडी टू आंसर?
Yes, sir.
रियली?
Yes, sir.
ओके, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू इज आप कहां हैं?
Where are
आप
you?
क्या करती हैं?
What do you
आपने
do?
क्या किया?
What
आप
did
क्या
you
कर
do?
सकती हैं?
What can you do?
मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
What should I do?
वो कौन है?
Who is
मैं
this?
उसे नहीं जानता.
I don't know.
वह आपका भाई है.
He is your brother.
वो आपका भाई और आप उसे नहीं जानते.
He is your brother and don't know you. You don't know him.
जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है आप उसे जानते हैं.
As I think, as long I think, he is your brother.
As far as I know,
As far as
I know you know him.
you know him.
Okay, आप कहाँ थी?
Where were you?
आप क्या कर रही थी?
What were you doing?
आप क्या करना चाहती हैं?
What do you want to do?
आप वहाँ कैसे गई?
How did you
अब
go
आप
there?
कब जाएंगी?
When did you go there?
कब
When will
जाएंगी?
you go there?
When will you
Go there.
Okay, I'm asking you a few questions. First, let me know your full name.
My name is Jayashree Kansal.
Okay, and Jayashree, why are you learning English?
Sir, I am learning because my subject is biology, and in the biology the English subject is very important, and I have to learn many of the things in biology in the English language. But sometime before I don't.
What is your final aim? What you have to be?
I want to become a doctor.
That's why.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, is it possible that without learning English, without knowing English, one can be a doctor?
It is possible, but nowadays the generation is changed, so that is why this time the English is important to become a doctor.
Right. Because the syllabus and the content that
Yes,
is
sir.
available in medical field, it's only in English.
Yes, sir.
That's why. And if it will be in Hindi in future, then we'll think about it. But right now, all the things are in English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Just let me know something about your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies is that I learn many of things every day, and my hobby is that reading my syllabus books and solve the new problems
Okay. Do you watch TV?
Yeah, no, sir, I don't watch TV because I have no time, so much time.
You don't have time to
Yes,
watch
sir.
TV. That's why. So, are you doing preparation for NEET?
No, sir, I am not doing a preparation for that, but next year I will do preparation for that.
Okay. Have you completed your schooling?
No, I have not completed my schooling. I am studying in 11th class.
You are in 11th standard?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I thought you would be in 12th.
No, sir.
This year you are in 11th class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are having you are having enough time to prepare yourself for the
Yes,
NEET
sir.
exam. And I would say that qualifying NEET is not an easy task today.
Yes, sir.
Many students are doing preparation and they study hard, and even they start doing preparation from the 9th standard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th.
Yes,
They
sir.
do prepare themselves for 4 years and then they qualify it.
Yes, sir.
So I insist you to prepare yourself well.
Yes.
Okay, the next question that I would like to ask you is that in which school do you study?
Sir, I study in Excellence School.
So do you go to school daily?
Yes, I go to school daily.
Oh, that's cool. And who's your class teacher in 11th class?
My class teacher is Mr. Nitish Lad, sir,
Okay.
who teaches us physics.
Okay. Do you like physics subject?
Yes, sir, I like physics subject.
Which is your favorite subject?
Sir, my favorite subject is biology, and in the biology, I like human physiology.
Oh, that's cool. And just let me know something about your school.
Sir, my school is very famous in the district. It is the district level school, and there are many of good teachers who teach us very well, and they are having too much knowledge, and they teach us daily.
There is one more teacher, Pawar sir is also.
Yes, sir.
What does
He
he
is
teach?
the maths streams class teacher, and he teaches physics.
He
Physics.
teaches Physics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. चलिए बहुत अच्छी बात है. Jayashree, you have answered everything well. Let's ask the questions to Shruti. So Shruti, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
ready to answer it?
Yes, sir.
I think you should stand up. So Shruti, the first question that I would like to ask you is, what have you completed in your studies?
Sir, I have completed my 12th class from MLB school, and now I am pursuing BSc second year from GDC college.
Oh, so do you go to college daily?
Yes, sir, I go to college in Delhi.
Okay. At what time do you go to college?
Sir, I go to college at 11 o'clock.
At 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
That's good. With whom do you go to college?
Sir, I go to college I go to college alone.
Alone. Is Saima your friend?
Yes, sir, Saima is my friend.
Is he your best friend? Is she your best friend?
Yes, sir, she is my best friend.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. So does she ever fight with you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sometimes she fight with me.
She fights with you. For what reason?
Sir.
आज तू गोलगप्पे खिलाएगी, कल मैंने खिलाया.
No, sir.
So
No reason, sir.
without any reason you fight. The next questions to you.
Yes, sir.
Just let us know something about your family.
Sir, there are 9 members in my family because I belongs to joint family.
Okay.
I have one brother and 2 cousin brother. And
So my questions to you, joint family versus nuclear family.
Yes, sir.
Which is best family according to you? You are from the
Sir,
joint family?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, according to me, joint family is better than nuclear family because if we talk about enjoyment,
Yeah.
so we can enjoy so much in with joint family,
Okay.
not a nuclear family.
Right.
And if we talk we are in tension. We are in tension that time. Our family members.
They support us
Yes,
emotionally.
Sir, they support, sir.
And the good thing of the joint family is that along with emotionally support, we also find financial support.
Yes.
Right? Okay, if you are having children especially, so in your absence, if you go anywhere, so in your absence, your children, they can be managed by the others members, family members, they
Yes,
can
sir.
manage them, right? But
Yes.
if you are from nuclear family, then wherever you have to go, you have to carry your children with you, right? That is the biggest problem that we find. Okay, the next thing that I want to ask you is about your future plan. What do you want to
Sir.
become? What do you want to do after completing your BSc?
Sir, after completing BSc, I will preparation for UPSC examination.
You will do preparation for UPSC
Yes,
examination. Oh, that's good. So for that you have to study hard.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
you
will
three
have to
girls, you
study.
three friends are, I think, having the dream to qualify UPSC. Book है?
Is this your book?
क्या आप क्लास में हो?
Are you in the
क्या आप
class?
सोचते हो? क्या आप सोचोगे?
Will
क्या
you
आप
guys-
सोचते हो?
What
Do
are
you think?
Do you think?
क्या आप सोचोगे?
Will you
you
think?
think? Just be present of mind,
sir.
then you will be able to speak properly. क्या ये आपका मास्क है?
Is this your mask?
नहीं, ये मेरा नहीं है.
This is not my mask.
ये किसका मास्क है?
Whose mask is this?
मुझे नहीं पता.
I don't know.
आप कहाँ हैं?
Where are you?
आप क्या करती हैं?
What are
आप
you
क्या
doing?
करना चाहती हैं?
What do you do-
आपने
what do you
उसे-
want to
आपने
do?
उसे क्यों पीटा?
Why would you beat him? Why did you beat him?
आपको उसे नहीं पीटना चाहिए.
You did not.
You should not
You should
beat
not
him.
beat him.
आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए.
You should go there.
आप वहाँ जाएंगे.
You will go there.
आप यहाँ आएंगे.
You will come
आप यहाँ
here.
कैसे आएंगे?
How will you come here?
How will you
Come
come here?
here.
आप इंग्लिश कैसे सीखेंगे?
How will you learn English?
आपने इंग्लिश कैसे सीखी?
How did you how you learn English?
आप वहाँ कब जाते हैं?
When you go there,
आप यहाँ कैसे आते हैं?
how you come here?
आपको यहाँ आने की जरूरत है.
You should come here.
You need to
come here.
Come here. आपको इंग्लिश बोलने की जरूरत है.
You need to learn English.
You need
to speak English.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a few questions that you have to answer.
Yes.
Okay, the first question is, so my questions to you, that which is the best source for reading?
So
Virtual book or physical book? Yes.
I think that the physical books are better than the virtual books because the physical books have many contents and we can learn easily. In virtual books we have to learn by the with the uses of the mobile phones and the laptop, and it also affect our eyes also.
Yeah.
And sometimes there is the network issue, we cannot see all the, in ebooks we cannot find the books also, and
Yeah.
in the physical book we can understand easily, we can easily go in library and take any book and any
Don't you think
anytime.
that to study any topic, to read any topic, it takes long time from physical book because we have to search manually. But in ebook, in virtual book, you simply have to search a particular topic and the entire content related to the topic will be on the display.
Yes,
So
sir.
it becomes very easy. Even while reading, if you find anything tough, you can directly search it from there. But in physical book, if you find anything tough, you have to go through a library again and you have to find out that particular content in that particular book. So it takes long time. Don't you think so?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just tell me, what will be the future of education? Do you think that in the future there will be no physical book? All the books will be virtual?
So I think that some physical books and some virtual books are there in the future time because
Okay. Just after 200 and 300 years.
yes, it is virtual
Don't you think
books.
that in the 200 and 300 years there will be no tree on the earth, no book is going to be published, nobody is going to write on nobody is going to write with pen and paper, everything will be virtually.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think so?
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
I will ask you a few questions.
Okay.
So the first question that is इस रूम में कितनी कुर्सियां हैं?
How many chairs are there in this room?
मुझे नहीं पता.
I don't know.
मुझे लगता है इस रूम में 50 कुर्सियां हैं.
I think there are 50 chairs in this room.
क्या आपने काउंट की है?
Are you count?
Are you count या have you counted?
Have you counted?
नहीं सर, मैंने काउंट तो नहीं किए, बट मैं कह सकता हूँ कि इस रूम में 50 कुर्सियां हैं.
I have not counted, but I can say that there are 50 chairs in this room.
ओके, आप कहाँ हैं अभी?
Where are you
आप
here
क्या
now?
करना चाहते हैं?
What do you want to do?
ओके, आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहते हैं?
Why are you learning English?
Why are you learning English? कि
क्यों
why
चाहते?
do
Why
you-
do you want to learning English?
ओके, आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहोगे?
Why would you like to learn
अब
English?
आप क्यों जाओगे?
Why will you go there?
Okay, I'm asking you a few questions that
Yes,
you have to
sir.
answer. So my first questions to you. You are a housewife.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and why have you thought to learn English? What things came in your mind that I should learn English? Being a housewife, you are well settled, and you thought that I should improve myself. So what
Yes,
things
sir.
made you to learn English?
After my delivery, I left my job.
Okay.
So I think I should learn something new because I think now that time English is very important for everyone. I have a daughter, so I think I have to learn her.
I have to teach her.
I have to teach her in English because she is going in a English medium school in her future. So I think I have to
Improve
know.
myself.
I have to improve
and
myself.
Being a good mom, it becomes your responsibility to nurture your child well. That's why
Yes,
you are
sir.
improving yourself. And what about your job? Have you planned to do job after?
Yes,
learning
I
English?
want to do job in teaching field because I like to teaching, and I am preparing now for MPTET and government job exams.
Oh, that's cool. So the grade 3 exam
Yes,
are you
sir.
preparing for?
Yes, I am preparing
and
for
what,
that.
What have you done in your studies?
I have done my BSc with computer science, and after then I have done my B.Ed.
B.Ed you have done and BSc with computer science.
Yes, sir.
What about your master degree? Have you done any master?
No, sir, I have not done, but I will done in future.
I will do. You will do in future.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's cool. And just let us know something about your husband. What does he do?
He is a government teacher
Okay,
in Khargone district.
in Khargone district, he's a
Yes,
government
sir.
teacher. That's good. So you just want to be like your what you can say husband. He's a teacher, so you also want to be a government teacher.
Yes, sir.
Chaliye, that's cool. And let me know something about your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is I like to learn something new in every 6 months, every year, like that. Now
Okay.
I am learning English. After then I will learn some instrument sound like
Okay.
that, guitar and all. And
That's
what
good.
I want, I can do it.
Right. Means you always believe in learning something.
Yes, sir. I am believing learning.
Absolutely. So after learning English, you will start learning some musical instruments.
Yes, sir. I will start, but it depends on the atmosphere where I live.
Absolutely right. Nice to talk with you, ma'am. She has answered very well, and being a housewife, she's learning and she's improving herself.